Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am already in the Hindu newspaper. My purpose anyway of proving knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. This is our first article. One dead, three injured as trains derails in Odisha. In shock, passengers being helped out of Bangalore Kamakya Express in Cuttack, Odisha on Sunday. Special arrangement. 11 coaches of Bangalore Kamakya Express go off track. One woman passenger seriously injured. Impact was minimum as train slowed down after crossing a bridge. Railway announces inquiry. The Hindu Bureau. Bhubaneswar. One person was killed and three sustained injuries when the Bangalore Kamakya AC Superfast Express train number 12551 derails near the Nergundi railway station 10 km from Cuttack in Odisha on Sunday. 11 coaches of the trains bound for Kamakya in Guwahati went off the track at 11:54 am as the train had slowed down after crossing a bridge over the Mahanadi. The impact on passenger was minimal, officials said. East Coast Railway said the deceased had been identified as Suvankar Roy, 22. One woman passenger suffered grievous injury, while two men were being treated for simple injuries, the railway said in a statement. Ex gratia, sorry, ex gratia announced. The Indian Railway announced that the Commissioner of Railway Safety would hold a detailed inquiry into the accident. Ex gratia of 5 lakh will be provided to the family of the deceased, while 2.5 lakh rupee will be given to those with grievous injury and 50,000 to those with simple injury. After the derailment, passengers struggled to move to a safer location and arrange alternative transport to reach their destination. The intense heat and sweltering condition worsened their ordeal. To manage the crisis, personnel from the Odisha Disaster Rapid Action Force and the National Disaster Response Force were safely deployed. Ashok Kumar Mishra, Chief Public Relations Officer of the railway, stated that a special train identical in composition to the derailed train was arranged to ensure the safe journey of affected passengers. Efforts are underway to restore normalcy to the affected routes as soon as possible. Safety protocols have been strictly followed during the rescue operation, the railway said. In wake of the accident, more than 20 trains were divided. Gudi Padwa rivalry. Revelers at a processions on the occasions of Gudi Padwa, marking the Marathi New Year in Kirgaon, Mumbai on Sunday. Be kind to your friends and family. Know your English. Her behavior did not sit well with the recruiters and she was kicked out of the group. As Upendra, here you are making a big presentation at next levels conference. Are you are you all set? Not sure. I am supposed to speak for half an hour about our new project, but that should be easy. I am sure you have a lot of things to say. I do, but every time I rehearse, I don't speak for long. I am unable to. Actually, I wonder if my boss will be okay with a 15-minute presentation. A 15-minute presentation, I don't think it all sit well with her. You know how she is when. When do you mean by was not sit with well with her? Does it mean she'll be angry? If something that you do or say does not sit well with someone, it means that the individual is not happy with it. It does not like what you have said or done. He may be rather uncomfortable with it. Here as an example, my sense of humor does not sit well with a lot of my friends. I know people have complained to me about it. The explanation provided by the striking worker did not sit well with the management. That's good example. Some parts of the chapter did not sit well with the supervisor. She told the student to make a major changes. I am told that some supervisors make their student rewrite each chapter several times. I guess they have every right to. I if that does not sit well with you, don't to do a PhD. I don't intend to. I have heard many horror story about doing a PhD. Some of the supervisors are said to be horrible, not kind with their student, and really I have heard people say kind with. How about this example? Jay has been doing roaring business because he is always being kind to his customer. You are sometimes shocked when someone is kind to you. That's true. Please make it a point to be a kind to your younger brother. You know that I don't have a younger brother. That was just example. Where is this year conference? Is it in Udaipur? I have never been read there. Really looking forward to the trip. I am sure you are. When do you leave? The conference begins on Friday and my presentation is on Saturday. My boss and a few of us will be leaving on Thursday. upendrin@gmail.com. This is our today quiz, a quiz on the iconic Eiffel Tower which was completed on March 31st, 1889. We will Ramanan make this quiz. Question number 1 4. The occasion was the lower bell and how long was the supposed to stand? Question number 2. The names of how many scholars are inscribed on the border encircling the first floor of the tower? Question number 3. The development of the scum of communication came to the rescue of Eiffel and prevented the tower from being brought down. Question number 4. What are Lee, Julius Verne and Madame Bristle in the context of the tower? Question number 5. It's Gustav Eiffel say the entrepreneurs behind the towers that is the more important contribution of Mauritius, Cochin and Empire Nauxir. Question number 6. The tower surprised which USA structure to become the tallest human-made structure in the world when it was completed. Question number 7. Last year, many sports person got a piece of the iconic tower. How? Name the visual question. Name the famous scientist has been Gustav F. Right in the Frenchman's apartment on the top of the tower. Question and answer to the way January 28 editions of the daily quiz. It's March 28. In 1930, the name of this Turkish city was changed to this. Answer: Constantinople was changed to Istanbul. In 2007, the bowler took 4 wickets in 4 balls at the Wickets World Cup Super 8 match against this team. Latin Malinga, South Africa. Apart from the Sylvester Stallone, these two actors have been nominated for the Best Actor, Best Original Screenplay for the same movie, Charlie Chaplin or Son. The final episode of the American television variety show on CBS was aired on this day. The answer: E.D. Sullivan Show. The 34th President of the United States and Dwayne Snidey S.L. Howard. Visual identity. The Peruvian writer. Answer: Mario Vargas Llosa. Early word who gives the answer is this. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for further more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We will return tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.